Everything you need
In case, because they might have started to see
is right in front of you,
stop the ants climbing up and getting
when you learn to see
Honey for All 2014.
good things come to you. All you have to do is stop and take a look around.
Here we are at Starseed Gardens, and this is a beehive for the native stingless bees. We use the native stingless bees because they're really nice and they produce great honey, and we use them for pollinating.
I started that project with Bob and I was really surprised how easy it is to build a beehive. You only need the timber here, that's hardwood, it's
Tasmanian oak.
I just cut the pieces on a table saw and I rebaited it with a router and glued them together.
The hive is in three parts. There's the top where the honey gets collected, and then the brood would live in here, and this little hole here is for the bees to come up to deposit the honey. And when we split it, we literally cut it in half, and we take this off and we put it onto a new bottom, and we put a new top onto this one, and then we have two hives. And these pieces of metal are to support the brood and the hive that's above.
And what is gonna grow? All you have to do is stop and take a look around. Take a look around. Get your hands into the ground.
I stayed for a little bit more than a month. I did working on the little house and the beehives and little bird houses, and I was happy to use my carpentry skills to work on the machines we've got in Starseed. So yeah.
It's good to have an exchange with people that can offer things to me and I can offer things to them, learning about things that they do and they in their countries, and food's always good. And so working with other people every day, which is different, is good, rather than the same people all the time. There we go. Enjoy your new home.